What if I told you you could glow up without spending any money? No expensive products, just simple habits that actually work. In this video, I'm sharing 10 sneaky glow up tips that will instantly change how you look and feel, starting today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So watch till the end. These 10 sneaky glow up tips will instantly change how you look and feel, starting today. Tip number 1. First, fix your posture. Stand straight, shoulders back, chin up. You instantly look more confident and attractive in seconds. Tip number 2. Upgrade your hairstyle. Even a small change like a cleaner parting or tying your hair properly can make a huge difference. Third, drink more water. It sounds basic, but hydrated skin equals natural glow. Your face literally looks fresher within days. Fourth, fix your eyebrows. Clean, shaped brows frame your face and can completely change your look. Tip number 5. Wear colors that suit your skin tone. Stop wearing random colors, find what makes your skin pop. Tip number 6. Improve your sleep. No glow up works if you're tired. 7 to 8 hours sleep equals clearer skin plus better mood. Tip number 7. Basic skincare routine. Cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. You don't need 10 products, just consistency in using the 3 products is enough. Tip number 8. Declutter your style. Simple outfits in GT, overcomplicated looks. Clean, minimal fashion always wins. Tip number 9. Work on your energy. Smile more, speak clearly, and be calm. Your vibe is a big part of your glow up. Tip number 10. And finally, be consistent. A real glow up doesn't happen overnight. But small daily habits create a huge transformation. Start today, stay consistent, and watch yourself transform. Save this video and come back after 30 days, you'll thank yourself. Thank you so much for watching till the end, it truly means a lot. If you found these glow up tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next transformation video. Also, comment below which tip you're going to try first, I'd love to know. Remember, your glow up starts with small steps, so stay consistent and believe in yourself. See you in the next video.